Righto guys, we've set up another camp. Camera was a bit flat yesterday, so I didn't worry about it. But I got another 17 pieces for another 6 grams. Nigel picked up 51 pieces for about 5 grams as well with the SDC. We got about 40 grams out of there plus some species, so that's alright. Nigel's gone hunting. I'm just cooking up a bit of lunch, a couple of sausages, having a beer, sit back, have a quick smoke. Car's nearly unloaded, a couple more bits and pieces to get out of there, and then I'll go for a swing around here this morning and see what I can find. So yeah, a bit more comfortable here than the last camp, got some shade happening. Carp makes a world of difference. Beer's ice cold, fridge is coping better in the shade. Oh, check this out guys. Fuck. I noticed someone had been doing a bit of scratching through here, so I just got here, I started chaining along. Hadn't got a fucking sound for ages, starting to get a bit bored, right? Next minute, I get this signal, sound like fuck all, right? Get it out of the ground. Listen to that, look at that. I don't know how big that is. My biggest piece before this was 4 grams, but oh, wait till I show Nigel this. This could be an ounce. Could be. Fucking happy. Wicked. Alright, keep going. So there you have it. There's the nugget that I dug out of the ground. It's not long ago. I've been out there gridding some more, but not another signal. Anyway, it's not an ounce. It's only 16.5 grams. So I'm gonna have to do a bit better than that, but still nice looking bit. Anyway, I just stopped for a beer, and then I might get right back to it for a little while.